how to say my name is in Greek. Με λένε. My name is με λένε. Now you try. You can also say το όνομά μου είναι. My name is το όνομά μου είναι. Now you try. You can also say λέγομαι. My name is. Λέγομαι. Now you try. The direct translation for λέγομαι is I'm named. Perhaps you want to ask, what's your name? Πώς σε λένε? What's your name? Πώς σε λένε? Now you try. You can also say, you can call me, but this is the same as my name is. Με λένε. You can call me. Με λένε. Now you try. And that's how to say my name is in Greek.